How to fix my AI chatbot not showing on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is to simply open your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Once you have searched for it, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version. So once you have updated this, you have to simply open your Snapchat again. So right now, as you can see, there is no my AI chatbot on the top. So what you have to do is the last solution. So simply click and hold on your Snapchat and go for this apps info. Once you are here, go for these permissions and make sure all the permissions are set to allowed. If not, click on that and make sure it is allowed. Once you are done, you have to go back and click on storage and cache and clear its cache and clear its storage. Once you are done, try to log out from your Snapchat and logging in back again. If you still cannot see my AI, that means Snapchat hasn't released it in your country yet. So all you can do is wait about 1 week or 2 weeks or maybe even 3 weeks until Snapchat gonna release it in your country. So that's how basically you can fix my AI not showing on Snapchat.